Been running the G90 portable a lot lately, so I decided to pick up one of these H-1 cooling brackets. You can see it has a fan installed. Power is diverted to the input here, a power pole. So it's a pretty handy setup. The only issue I have with it is the exposed fan and the wiring on the bottom. So this video is just going to cover what I did to solve that problem. So I went ahead and I went to Thingiverse, which is a 3D printing website. It's where everyone can store their files of what they've produced. And I found a cover available there. I went ahead and had a friend print the cover out for me. And here's a little view of it. So that's going to fit right over this fan, and it will be held on with 4 fan screws. All they are is little screws here with some coarse threads on it. So you could just have, they make standard size covers for these, but I wanted to also cover up the electronics in the back, so I chose to have one printed. And there we are. Throw this last screw in and you'll see the completed setup. Now this one does come with a little switch here. A lot of people have made it so they could turn this fan on and off. Normally it's controlled by this little thermistor, which will heat up, automatically turn the fan on. This fan can come on anytime power is applied to this power pole. So it has nothing to do with the radio being on. Some people want to have that fan running all the time, so they've diverted these 2 wires to a switch in the front here. But that's about it. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.